3D printing in medicine, the next medical revolution. 3D printing in medicine is poised to revolutionize healthcare with its ability to create customized solutions. Some key areas of impact include personalized prosthetics and implants, tailored to individual patients. These prosthetics and implants can improve fit, function, and patient outcomes. Customized surgical models. Accurate 3D printed models of organs and tissues can aid in surgical planning, reducing complications and improving success rates. Tissue engineering and regenerative medicine. 3D printing can create complex tissue structures, paving the way for breakthroughs in wound healing, organ transplantation, and more. Patient-specific medication. 3D printing can create customized medication delivery systems, allowing for precise dosing and release rates. Dental and orthopedic applications. 3D printing is already transforming these fields with customized implants, models, and surgical guides. Potential future directions. Bioprinting functional organs. Researchers are working towards creating fully functional, transplantable organs using 3D printing. In-space manufacturing. 3D printing in space could enable the creation of medical devices and supplies for astronauts and future space missions. The integration of 3D printing in medicine has the potential to significantly improve patient care, reduce healthcare costs, and open up new possibilities for medical research and treatment.